EAS in Wilmington has issued a flood warning for the Little Miami River in northeastern Warren County in southwestern Ohio, southwestern Greene County, until 5 p.m. Monday. At 4:58 p.m., the river gauge near Spring Valley indicated that flooding was occurring along the Little Miami River. High water will impact low areas near Spring Valley, Roxana, Corwin, and east of Waynesville. Flood waters will approach homes very close to the river, and widespread bottomland flooding will occur. Water will flood Corwin Road, Waynesville Road, and Middletown Road near the river. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your vehicle to cross safely, and the road beneath may not be intact.